Guys, it's Monday morning and I'm about to lose it. This is not my first rodeo, it's not my first building site, and I knew that the inevitable is going to happen at some stage. This is day 1 of week 6 and supposedly week 6 of 8, and these guys are just not shaping up. Look at this. The ceilings, as you can see above here, if I can just get the camera that way, the ceilings haven't been completed in the kitchen. The screed hasn't been done in the kitchen. They're still busy doing plastering in the kitchen. My kitchen guy is ready. He's ready to come and install, but he can't because look at this. So much work needs to be done before we can put the cabinets in. And the ceilings, let me show you, ceilings still need to be completed. They were going to do this a week ago and it's not done. So this is where I need your help. Let me just get this camera to look in my direction again. And this is the lounge. They still need to sand down these beams for me. There's a lot of patching work that needs to be done. The tiling here needs to be done. And I don't know if I can switch the camera around for you to see the tiling in the foyer that still needs to be repaired and still needs to be done. And then let me show you what's happening in the rest of the house. Let me take you on a tour. Here's the staircase. They still need to finish the rest of the stairs, block this off. I don't know what they've been doing here, but let me take you on a tour and then you can see. So this is bedroom number 1. They have not quite finished the tiling, but we're getting there. This light fitting is going to go, don't worry about that. Painting is going to happen later, so I'm all good with this. They just need to finish the tiling. Here's one of the bathrooms. It's been like this for a week. They've done the plastering, they've put in all the plumbing pipes. It just needs to be, the shower cubicle needs to be fitted and the box needs to be built and the drainage needs to be installed. And then again, let's see if I can show you the ceilings. And ceilings all the way in the passage. They haven't done the ceilings. So I am bedroom number 2. Looks like the tiles have been almost completed. They just need to do the tile skirtings. And this is bathroom number 2. Ceilings incomplete. Shower needs to be installed. And then I walk to bedroom number 2. This over here, not looking too bad. They need to do the tile skirtings. This is the main ensuite. They've done the plumbing, but need to do plastering, need to do tiling, need to put in the shower cubicle and the vanity. They're hammering away downstairs. The tiling here, they still need to do the skirtings and they need to do a bit of detail here. And in the dressing room, need to finish the tiling there. They haven't painted ceilings, they haven't painted walls. So this is the main house. And then downstairs in the cottage and the bachelors, where you can hear all the hammering going on, that's where they still need to do even more work. And then the site itself looks like a bomb has hit it outside in the garden, because look at that, all the building rubble that they haven't removed yet. Very, very messy building site, and it's been like this now. This is week number 6, and I don't think they're going to finish in 8 weeks. It's now week 6, week 7, week 8, 3 full weeks to go. I don't know, what do you guys think? You haven't even seen the rest of it. I'm going to stop there.